managed to do it in a restaurant that will remain nameless. The guy was really dodge and just disappeared like halfway through and stole all my paints and didn't pay me. Yeah, I have this image in my head of that mural being half finished and looking really sad, or like that's what I kind of remember from it, and that I didn't get to finish it. I'm so glad that it's done, and it looks lovely, and it's had such a nice reception. Everybody's been so kind about it. Easy on the eye, the way they fell, it's sort of nice. A glance from the side, in a blink of an eye, they could be there by design. The open wound there from the start. It was a disaster. It was kind of sort of maybe the worst thing that could have happened. Yeah, basically when it was almost all finished, it rained and rained and rained, and all of the beautiful pink paint smeared. When those scars are opened up through the constellation comes the blood. There are scars carved beneath your scars. Those scars are the nearest to your heart. When those scars are opened up through the constellation comes the blood. But when the agony subsides, it feels really great to have overcome all of those obstacles. Excited to finally feel safe that I can put my work out there, or that I can feel good about it, which I've definitely had a hard time doing. She's got big bum confidence.